This presentation is called the Yellow River Flood. In association with others, it was put together by Jonathan Slagelmilk. I hope you enjoy the following presentation done on PowerPoint. The Yellow River Flood was an interesting river. As you see on the screen, there were between 1 and 2 million deaths attributed to this monstrosity. Although the information cannot be completely accurate, we have to assume that those numbers are close. It also left over 80 million people homeless because of the acres and acres upon acres which this stretched. Agriculture, agriculture, agriculture. This river affected agriculture primarily because the land upon which it lies is excellent farming land. However, one of the problems was it has an elevated stream bed, which we will talk about later. Let me point out the great queen who offered her charitable hand to the victims of this tragedy, as well as the many people, including Charles Lindbergh and his wife, and an American Presbyterian missionary, who offered their help. Now let's talk about the flood itself. The Yellow River has an elevated stream bed because of years and years of silt and sediment depositing upon the more mature part of the river downstream. Over 60% of its content is silt, which ranks among the highest in all rivers. Now, there was another flood on this river in addition to the 1931, actually several, but one in particular that we will discuss, the 1938 flood of the Yellow River. This was no ordinary flood. It was caused because the Chinese government was trying to stop the advancing Japanese army from overtaking any more cities. From a militaristic perspective, you could say it was a success to bomb the levees so this river flooded. However, it was at the great cost of its civilians, for millions upon millions of Chinese citizens died. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation to demonstrate what PowerPoint, music, and a little bit of recording is able to do for a presentation of this nature. If you have any further desire to learn about this,